Welcome to Grow Potential. A deep night surrounds you. The silence is so profound that you can even hear your own heartbeat. Breath is flowing, but have you ever truly felt where each breath comes from and where it goes? Today, we begin a journey into that mystery. Where the breath takes you. To the navel, the very source of life. Close your eyes. Let your body completely relax. Take a deep breath in, and slowly let it out. Now, begin your inner journey. Just observe. The breath coming in, the breath going out. Do not change anything. Simply be a silent witness. Now, as you breathe in, feel the breath moving down to your navel. As you breathe out, feel it returning from the same center. Inhale, the navel rises. Exhale, the navel softens. With each breath, you are connecting to your core center. Slowly, allow your breath to deepen. Like waves sinking into the depths of the ocean. Feel the energy spreading from your navel. Your entire being is breathing through it. Sit quietly for a few moments. Feel the depth of your navel and your breath. Inside, there is peace, there is safety. Now, slowly open your eyes. Rub your palms together and place them gently on your face. And carry this experience with you throughout the day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe.